Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all must be chilling. Today I'm going to share with you the perfect natural skincare face mask that is best for your instant results and that is popular for skin brightening. This mask will reduce the early aging signs and bring you a youthful appearance to your skin. This face mask will give your skin such a healthy, natural looking glow and is also very gentle on all type of skins. This treatment is best for all types of skin and you will get soft, smooth and moisturized skin. It shrinks open pores and removes scars and tightens the skin. It is also best for looking young and beautiful. This treatment will lock the moisture in and keep your skin hydrated. This remedy will keep in out the aging signs and wrinkles from your skin. It helps to tighten the large pores and thereby giving you perfect smooth skin. Apply the mixture at once, don't store this. Apply a thick layer of mixture on affected areas especially. This mask will remove tanning, dullness, uneven skin tone and will give you brighter, glowing and clear skin. So let's get started. First of all, we need the curd. I am using here homemade curd. Then we need the coffee beans. You can use the coffee powder as well. And the third ingredient is honey. I am using the raw honey here. So first of all, take a bowl and put 1 tablespoon of honey. If you are making mask for 2 persons, you can add 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey is best for moisturizing the skin. Then we will add a tablespoon of coffee beans. It is antioxidant, so it's very helpful to brighten the skin tone. Then we will add the curd. Curd is extremely hydrated. And when we talk about coffee, it is an excellent antioxidant for skin. I'm here adding 3 tablespoons of curd. Here with these 3 ingredients, we are going to make the mask for brightening the skin. It is a multi-beneficial mask. So mix it well. If you are using the coffee beans, then you have to mix very well. Or if you are using coffee powder, then it will take few minutes to mix them well. Honey is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, so it is the best ingredient in this remedy. Honey is a natural antibacterial that makes it perfect base for acne fighting mask. It is also excellent for the treatment of acne as it is rich in B vitamins that help to calm the skin, especially if you break out. This face mask will give your skin such a healthy, natural looking glow and is also very gentle on all types of skin. Curd has some strong capabilities like moisturizing, reducing dark circles, tightening pores, minimizing symptoms of ultimately aging. Lactic acid and alpha hydroxide is often recommended for acne pores skin. Lactic acid and other AHAs are known to help with exfoliation, reduce inflammatory and promote smoother new skin cells growth. Coffee powder gently eliminates dead skin cells and give a surface to new youthful skin. It is best suited for skin that is sensitive or prone to acne. Here you can apply the mask for 15 to 20 minutes gently on your skin. You can use the brush for applying the mask. If you have dark spots or acne on your skin, you can make the thick mixture of the mask by adding 2 tablespoons of curd. Apply the mask all over your affected area or face or on your neck and rest it for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Apply the mask once a week for 3 months to get better results. It is the best mask for summer season. After 15 minutes, wash your face and you can see the change and difference on your skin. It's a best brightening mask. If you didn't subscribe my channel, so please do subscribe and hit on the bell icon for all the notifications and videos. Like my channel and share the video to your loved ones. If you didn't follow me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram and share my videos to your friends and family members. Till my next video, take care of yourself. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.